In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Meet in your classroom with the 2025 Teacher's Guide. Google Meet has become a crucial tool for enabling virtual learning, meetings, and collaboration. Whether you're new to online teaching or you just need a bit of a refresher, this guide is designed to walk you through the basics of using Google Meet for your classroom. Let's dive right in. First, we'll want to get started by signing into Google Meet. Open your web browser and navigate to meet.google.com. When you're there, sign in using your Google account. If possible, it's best to use your school or institution provided account for easier access to various resources. Now let's talk about creating and scheduling a meeting. There are two main ways to get your classes set up. The first option is starting an instant meeting. On the Google Meet homepage, click on New Meeting and then select Start an Instant Meeting if you want to begin right away. Once your meeting is set up, make sure to share the meeting link or code with your students so they can join you. If you prefer to schedule a meeting for later, you'll want to use Google Calendar. Click on New Meeting and select the option to schedule in Google Calendar. Then click Create to set up your event and add all the necessary meeting details. Don't forget to click Add Google Meet Video Conferencing to generate the link for the class. Lastly, save your event and share the invitation link with students via email or any messaging apps your class is comfortable using. Managing your virtual classroom is key to having smooth, effective sessions. Locate the host controls in the bottom right corner of your screen. This is where you can enable or disable features such as screen sharing, which you might want to restrict for students alongside chat messages to control potential distractions. You can also manage students' microphones and video settings to ensure you have a quieter session when needed. Engaging with your students during the meeting can be enhanced by screen sharing. Click Present Now to share your entire screen, a specific window, or just a tab. If you're sharing videos, make sure you use the Share Tab audio feature to include sound. Recording and reviewing your classes is also possible with Google Meet. Simply click on Activities and then Recording. Be aware that recordings are saved to Google Drive, so it might be a good idea to verify with your institution if recording is allowed or enabled in your account. Finally, when your class wraps up, click End Call to close the session for everyone. By following this guide, you can confidently harness the capabilities of Google Meet to create an effective virtual classroom setup in 2025. Thank you for watching and happy teaching.